Leftovers on versus the draft. I can always flip the image and post. That's definitely not on the picture. Good morning. It is 8:25. I have to be out of here in 20 minutes. I'm not going to be able to shower. I'm not going to be able to get ready. I'm just going to have to leave. I did fall asleep in the middle of studying last night, which is why I didn't end the video last night, but anyway, I'm going to get around and get to class, and then my third and final class of the day is the class I have a test in, so I'm gonna have to do some studying beforehand. Goodbye, comfort. I'm heading off to class. Oh, speaking of, well, this isn't speaking of anything, but look at the sky. Isn't that pretty? I think so. Alrighty, I am heading out to class. I've got 2 in a row. I'm going to be at class for a couple hours, and then I'll come back here and working, and then back out to class, and coming back here, and then I don't really know what the plan is after that, but I'm sure I'm going to be hanging out with Victoria, and then I'm going to go to the Halloween party. I just took a test, and I got to go to work, and shower, and go to the gym with Victoria, and I'm back. I have gone to all my classes today, including my the one that I took a test in. I was not planning on staying on campus during the break I had, but I decided that getting a little extra studying time in wouldn't be a bad thing, and actually saved me on one of the questions on the test, so it's a good thing. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly shower and stuff like that, then start working and getting ready for today. I'm gonna go to the gym with Victoria. I don't know, my brain is fried. I need to start off with a cup of coffee at some point. I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna have a cup of coffee. Oh man, world hacky sack champion right here.
Oh. Hey man, I'm just a little bit rusty, that's all.
Just a little bit rusty. It's been a few years since you were the champion.
Just a few years. Some Rastafarian took it from me.
Some Rastafarian?
Yeah.
What does that even mean? Why? I have eaten, I have worked, I am editing a video. I need to create a quick ending to the video because I realized that I fell asleep last night in the middle of doing homework, or studying I mean, and didn't end the video. So that is the current plan. I'm about to shoot a ending clip and edit and go to the gym with Victoria. So I'm going to do this as quickly as possible and get going on the day. Woo, save. Alrighty, I am back in the car, heading over to pick up Victoria to go to the gym and get a workout in, and then gonna come back here and change and get ready for the Halloween party. Heading to Victoria's right now. Oh, that sky is like kind of purpley. Nice. Look who's actually here and ready. Wow, wow. First ever. Good job.
I know.
I'm proud of you.
I told you I'd be ready by the time you were done.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks.
I had to trim my fingernails, which is why I took a little bit longer.
Oh, that's okay.
Anyway, we are off to the gym, right?
Yes.
You super excited?
I am.
Ready to get this workout in a major way? You said you might go half an hour earlier. Did you go?
No. I decided to shower even though I'm going to sweat my booty off.
You think you will?
If I do cardio, I will.
Oh, you are going to do cardio?
I said if.
Okay.
We're not sure yet.
Okay. Well, we'll see. Yep. Thank you. Alright, we're at the gym. Gonna get our workout in a major way. And get on out of here. What are we doing today?
Arms and chest.
Have you ever done either of those?
My dad had me work arms a little bit over the summer.
Alright.
But probably nothing that we're gonna do today.
We'll see. Babe, which direction is the gym?
Really?
Okay, where are we going?
Back to the car.
Why?
Because we have to go back to my apartment.
Why?
Because I forgot my ID. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm just giving you a hard time.
Oh, jeez.
Getting her ID so that she can join me at the gym. Kind of feel bad because I was giving her a hard time and like it really doesn't matter. Like I wasn't like I don't know. I wasn't intentionally making her feel bad, but I feel like I made her feel bad and that wasn't the intention because really like showing up a little bit later to this thing doesn't really matter. Everyone is a-okay if we do. So anyway, gonna be getting up. Gonna be getting back to the gym. Hey. And then we're going to be working out and coming back. Well, coming back to my apartment. Look, there she is. She's so quick. This clip hasn't even been a minute. She went all the way up there, got her ID, and came all the way back down. Thanks, Victoria. Thanks for doing it quickly. That was so quick.
Was it?
Yeah, it was less than a minute.
Uh-uh.
Yeah,
How do you know that?
because my recording. Alright, back to the gym we go. Woo! And we're out. We're heading back to my place to get changed into our Halloween costume stuff, and then we need to make sure that we get a picture of us, like the one picture. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Sorry, you can take that out. Redo
I'll-
that scene. Redo it.
no.
Redo it. Redo it.
No.
Yeah.
No, I'll just bleep out what you said.
Okay.
Anyway, we are,
I didn't know you didn't want to say.
well, that's fine. No, I know. I'm not blaming you. But anyway, we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna head on over to the Halloween party. What are you doing?
Trying to hold myself up and my arms are shaking. I can't. That was so bad.
Well, good job then. You did
Thanks.
well if your arms
I did
are
like
so...
0 weight though.
Doesn't matter.
I know, but it made me feel like a baby.
You're not a baby.
Thanks.
You're just getting started.
Yeah.
Okay. May I come in?
Hello.
Victoria, what are you doing on the sink?
I couldn't see my eyeliner from standing up.
I'm in my costume.
Without me.
Without you. How do I look?
Oh shit. Good.
Thanks.
So good.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Alright, I'm out.
I was like, yeah, I'm an elephant. I got a onesie, and I've never been so excited in my life. It was really funny.
You're cute. Here we are.
Oh wait, what are we thinking?
Hold on. Oh no. See now, without my camera working correctly, I don't know what's showing. I don't think that's the right angle. Do you think that's the right angle?
Yeah.
Ish. That's definitely not on the picture. I feel like we're just gonna have to ask Brian and Luna to do it.
Just take a picture.
Yep. Here we are. Alright. You're so cute.
Thanks. So are you.
In a non furry way. A little elephant. Walking down the stairs all by herself. Wow. Good
Do
job.
elephants not walk downstairs?
Have you ever seen one walk downstairs?
I guess not. Fair enough.
Fair enough. We're all suited up. We're heading on in. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What? What? Hi. Hi. I'm assuming you're saying hi back. What up, dude? We're gonna go out and see. All the food, which you can't see.
Or the great.
Hi.
Hi.
Alrighty. Well, we spent quite a bit of time hanging out, playing Cards Against Humanity, eating food, and chatting in there. It was pretty dark in there, so the camera didn't really show very much, but nonetheless, it is time to... Are you going home, or are you hanging out?
It's late.
It is late.
Going home.
She's going home. Okay. Here we go, taking her home. On the drive over here, we noticed that there were quite a few...
We noticed. You and the camera?
You noticed. That there were quite a few girls in rather promiscuous outfits. And I just think it's a bit comical that there's that. And then you've got Victoria in an elephant onesie.
Oh no.
The definition of a non-promiscuous outfit. You're so cute.
Thanks.
Alright.
I love you.
I love you too. I had a good time with you.
Me too. I'm gonna take this off.
Okay.
To go upstairs.
Belligerent drunk people crowding the streets of Ball State University. There we go, more drunk people. More assumedly drunk people. And that pretty much concludes the mass amounts of drunk people walking the streets. I mean, we've passed the major areas. You're just gonna get a few stragglers from here on out. So Ball State has honestly done probably one of the best it's ever done on a Halloween weekend at not having the entire campus out walking around drunk. So, good job, Ball State. Giraffe costume on the bed. I apparently didn't get the video live before I left, so it was sitting processing, so I got that going, and it is time for me to go to bed. This area is calling me. I'm exhausted. I'm going to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you